The 2018 Mazda CX-9 meets or surpasses desires for what a standard 3-push hybrid can be. Have you seen it? The Mazda CX-9 is a beautiful hybrid SUV that puts others on take note. It's outstanding amongst other looking 3-push hybrids available, and brags a few inside highlights and familiar luxuries found in considerably pricier SUVs. We rate it at a 6.7 for the time being. That score ought to enhance with more crash test information. It's not as open as others in the class, and Mazda's Turbo 4 has its cut-off points. This year Mazda has made standard blindside screens with raised cross-activity alarms and low-speed program crisis braking on all models. The cost has ascended accordingly, $610 on base models, which are called Sport. Venturing up in cost and highlights, the Mazda CX-9 is offered in Touring, Grand Touring, and Signature variations. Front drive is standard on all models, and all-wheel drive is accessible at consistently extra $1,800. All variations of the CX-9 are controlled by a turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4 that influences 250 pull-on premium to fuel. By and large, the Turbo 4 is sufficient for us to overlook that the CX-9 doesn't have a V6. A 6-speed programmed is the main alternative in all cases. However, we can't resist the urge to feel that more forward riggings would help the CX-9 improve the situation than 20 or 21 mpg joined in everyday driving. Like most in its class, the CX-9 doesn't offer option powertrains or jolt, yet the glaring issue at hand is the Highlander hybrid that does the greater part of the above.